Holding to silver aspect, it's a 4-inch 101 Dalmatians, showing 5. They got from the website for $19 plus $3 shipping, so it's like $50. It's pretty good for this fucking thingy. You get iPhone because the video just up. I don't know. I turn the back on, and I promise you can get a close up later. So, yeah. Can I give you an idea? It looks like front the white. No. Let's cook it. Alright. One more, it's not terrible. What was good in? What was too goddamn fucking fast on it too? I expected it, honestly. It's got both boys on the top. It's pretty fun car. That looks pretty bright for what it is, honestly. For real. I'm going my own wall. Like I said, it's very fast. It looks faster, way faster because it doesn't count. I don't know why. This will fix that problem, huh? But it looks a lot slower and kill almost down there. Whoa. Turn to me. Sorry. Whoops. Zoom like a high speed. High's good too. High's not much faster. It does wall along the line. There you go. It's a really cool fan now. I got my cheap, it's cool. Take from it. It's so weird how slow it looks on camera. Probably see from fast on it. Let's go. The high speed. Okay, the longer down line is short down line. I'm on the longer down line. What is it? Can we short down line until I got on the ceiling? So I got downloads over on it. So I took that off, get camping on it is weird. Let's trust. I want to see if we can see it at all. Yes, you can. This way it's off makes it look like it's fine. That's good because that's off. Cruise seats. I'll be right back. You're going to be doing piercing. Mom, would you mind stopping? Oh, bless you, Lord. Stop stopping. I usually don't do that, but I'm getting patient. Alright, yep, it stopped. Whoops. Must be negative this time. I usually don't, so I'm gonna decide to be showing. Because I just don't have a Oh, I like to get in the shower and yeah. Don't like to get common grades. It's not a good idea. Hold on guys, try to take you off here for the camera stopping. I'm ready. Where's we got Aussie playing? Pretend we got 101 posting for the white. Took a dog bone. Space thing. Here we got stop. What? What you want the missions on both sides of this cap. By brackets. Grade those pause and rates. We're on top. I didn't think it would work right. It would be cool in that way, so. Right, good up close to the bike, the band, the side band. Yep, you get that there. Alright, what's your top? Hi guys, turn it. Damn. Fingerprints is a band line. So that's what it looks like on the top. It came with the bulbs. They were installed. But I was better. I know the date. My dad was wondering about the date all by myself. Thought was shit. But again, mine's not as good as yours are. So if you see I don't, just please tell me. Don't say, oh my god, you're so stupid and blind. It's right there in your fucking face. Then campaign in Christmas, so I don't. Good job, you whore. Thank you. Alright, and then we got the Dalmatians. Yeah. I don't do unboxings anymore. So you guys know. Me one day I do it, and I lost my patience for it. I really don't. I just don't. Box don't beat up, but there it is. So, yeah. Fuck. like, subscribe, and peace out. Pussy.